Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix eBay listing errors on Printify. Having a listing error when trying to connect Printify with eBay, it happens often, but don't worry. Today, I'll give you some information, some instructions, and how to fix Printify listing errors on eBay and get your products live. Now the first thing you want to do is to check your eBay store connection. And to do that, just go to Printify. Make sure you log in using your account that is linked with eBay. After you log in, click on Manage Stores and make sure your eBay store is connected properly. If not, just reconnect. The second thing you want to do is to review product settings. Some errors happen because of missing mandatory fields like category, shipping, or return policies. In Printify, click on the product and fill in all required details. As for the third thing, match eBay's listing requirements. eBay may reject a listing if the title, description, or photos don't meet standards. So edit and simplify your title. This means no emojis or all caps. The fourth step is to check shipping profiles. Printify products need a linked eBay shipping policy. Make sure you assign a valid domestic and international shipping method. And for the fifth and final thing, republish or reconnect. Save changes and click on publish again from Printify. If it's still stuck, disconnect and reconnect Printify to eBay. And once updated, your product should appear live on eBay. Make sure you always choose simple and clear titles and keep Printify product settings synced with eBay's selling policies. And also use Printify Help Center if errors persist. And this was it for today's tutorial. These were some informations about how to fix eBay listing errors on Printify. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.